close public comment. Oh, we'll open it briefly for
Okay.
Mr. Fritz.
Well, first I'd like to thank Commissioner Sullivan for coming to our Grange meeting on mobile slaughtering. And certainly the production of meat from sheep and goats and beef can be increased substantially in the Olympic Peninsula. And one of the bottlenecks is slaughtering them. If you have to take your animal all the way down to Oregon to get it butchered, it obviously takes a lot of time and money, and it's hard on the animals and things of this sort. So I commend Commissioner Sullivan for taking an active part and keeping abreast of what's going on. As far as the economy, it is continuing to deteriorate. I saw in the paper that the state of Washington is now projecting a $1.3 billion budget deficit, greater than what they already projected. So this is going to translate to cutting corners every place they can, and we're going to watch our grants decrease, which is going to hurt a lot of departments, the health department being especially vulnerable. And the health department, public health portion at least, does a lot of good work. Now, I've said over and over again, what we really need to do is to examine the structure of the Jefferson County. Well, one of the arguments for getting a county administrator in the first place was that we reorganized it. We had too many supervisors, too many managers, too many departments, and we'd be able to more than save enough by reorganizing it to justify the county administrator. But instead, we got a county administrator and an assistant county administrator and staffs and so forth added to the existing. And we need to take a long look at who does what and how many people are necessary. For instance, I realize the state law, but if you have a licensed civil engineer design a septic system, does it really need to take a couple of months to go through the health department? Well, when you have a licensed civil engineer design it, and what about the building department? In times like this, does it really take 3 or 4 months for a building permit to be granted? It should take 30 days at the most. This would stimulate building, obviously. We've got to look at every aspect to try to cut costs, because you obviously want to maintain all the programs you can at the highest level, and that means making better use of the people you have. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Fritz. Anyone else like to?